All right, so today we are going to talk about the Meiji Restoration. Welcome back, Global 10. The Meiji Restoration was actually a time in the history of Japan, all right? So it was a time when Japan modernized. So if we take a look at here at the definition, modernization is the process of change from traditional to modern, or basically old to new, okay? Here's Japan. Obviously, we remember the Tokugawa Empire when Japan isolated. Well, they isolated and they developed their own culture. They developed a writing system, their own system of government, etc. And we're actually going to take a look at them modernizing, and that is known as the Meiji Restoration. And just real quick, the Meiji is actually here. Meiji just means emperor. So the restoration of the emperor. And you don't really need to know that the emperor was restored to power. What you need to know is Japan modernized, okay? So on your own, you're going to read these two short excerpts. First, you're going to read about kind of what the Meiji Restoration was, and then you're going to read about why they modernized, and you're going to learn about Commander Matthew Perry. All right, so Japan was unfortunately forced to modernize, and you're going to be reading about that. Okay, so couple paragraphs. You're going to answer these 4 questions. Then you are going to look at some images. Okay, so now that Japan has decided to open up to the rest of the world, we want to analyze how they modernized and how they kept some aspects of traditional culture. You're going to look at the images posted around below. I'll have to change this. Posted below. Okay, and then you're going to fill out the organizer. So you're going to look at this image. What aspects of modernization do you see in the image? And then you would record anything you saw here. Same thing, you're going to record anything you see. Excuse me. In this box is aspects of modernization. And in this side, you're going to write down any aspects of traditional Japanese culture. So what aspects do you see that might be old on the right, and then anything new you see goes on the left? You're going to do that for a few different images. And then finally, you're going to respond in 2 to 3 sentences. Do you think modernization has more positive or negative effects in Japan? Okay, did modernization have more positive or negative effects in Japan? So you're going to respond with that paragraph. All right. So very good. That's it for today. The Meiji Restoration. What you need to remember is it means Japan modernizes. All right, guys. That's it for today.